thinking of selling your home? As you embark on this journey, it's essential to have a clear understanding of the home seller moving process. Whether you're a first-time seller or have sold homes before, understanding the process along with practical tips is helpful and will allow you to move forward with ease and confidence. To help you navigate the home seller moving process, we have prepared a concise guide with the information you need to know. From preparing your home to setting the right price, to listing and marketing of your home, to the review and negotiation of offers, and the closing of the sale, and planning your move, we have you covered. Selling a home can be an exciting yet complex process, but by following these steps outlined in the guide and working closely with a trusted realtor partner, you'll be equipped to navigate the journey with ease. We're here to assist you every step of the way. For a copy of your free guide on navigating the home seller moving process, simply call or text to 905-965-5902 and we will happily send you your free copy.